Howdy folks, welcome back. We've got to make a change. The videos have gotten a little bit out of hand. It's been a lot of 30, 40, 50 plus minute long videos on these long meandering projects that take me, 15, 20, 30, 40 hours of actual work, plus the filming and the editing and creating the video. It's not sustainable. I have to keep a balance between doing work in the shop and making the videos for YouTube. So we're going to try some quicker, shorter, a little more rough and ready, a little less polished videos. Hopefully on some projects that are a little quicker to bang out here in the shop. So this is a 2009 Ford Fusion. It's here because the ABS light is on. It has a code for the control circuit, or for the circuit of the pump motor for the ABS. And I believe it needs that motor or the actual ABS unit replaced. Here's the code C1095, pump motor circuit fault. And the ABS pump does not respond to bidirectional control. At this point in time, the pump is actually dead. Well, as far as the diagnosis, there's really not that much we have to check or even can check. I did test powers and grounds at the ABS module. They were fine, but we kind of already knew that because the module is able to communicate. It's able to set DTCs. It has detected a fault internally between the module and the motor, and it set a code, and it's not happy about it. So we have to replace this motor, or we'll just replace the whole module. So we have two options. We can buy a new one, we can buy a reman, or we can buy a used one. This is a used one from a junkyard. We are going to attempt to install it and reprogram it. I think we can do it. If we can't do it, we'll just separate the module from the valve body, and we'll leave the module from the old pump unit, and we'll just replace the motor side of it. There's the ABS unit right there. We've got to pull this surge tank out. I'll show you guys the power and ground test real quick. So it should have power key on pin 1, 8, and 32. So there's 32, there's 1. Those are the two big ones. 1 is for the motor, 32 is for the valve, and then pin 8 is for the module itself. We know that one's working because we can talk to the module. Flip the test slide over to battery positive, and we'll test pin 16, which is the ground, and of course it's good. So pretty simple. Well, there's a bolt on the bracket that's impossible to access. It comes in from the inside of the frame. So instead we're going to hopefully pull this unit up out of the bracket itself. I took this little shoulder bolt out of the side, and it should just pop up out of those grommets. Alright, before we get carried away trying to program this junkyard module, I went ahead and installed the original ABS module onto the replacement valve body because I'm pretty sure the motor is the only part of it that has a problem. So let's just see what happens. Okay, we're in the ABS module right now. I'm just going to erase the codes. Now we'll see if it set a code. Well, before I couldn't clear that code, it would just come back immediately. Well, look at that. Well, let's see if we can do some stuff with it. I think we're in business, folks. Fantastic. Alright folks, got everything put back together. Looks pretty good. I'm going to grab my lovely assistant and we'll see how many brake bleeders we can break off. Alright lady, we need some help. Please. Is there a canine under this desk?
That's where he likes to sit when I'm at the desk.
Alright lady, give us 3 good pumps, nice and slow. Okay, 3 more. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to come into our hot functions on our scan tool. And we'll choose ABS bleed. It's going to run the pump and cycle the valves. All right, give us 3 more pumps. Oh, slow, slow. Couple more. All right. All right, 3 pumps. Okay. The car should ding at us when it's done. There it is. All right, 3 more pumps. Slowly. Couple more, please. All right, that's pretty good. What do you think? How's it feel?
Good.
Pretty firm?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're all done. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright folks, gave it a quick bath under the hood. Let's go for a ride. Just make sure that the ABS does work. Well, so far so good. Got good pedal. We got good brakes. Luckily our township has a number of these custom-made ABS test lanes. I think we have to be over 20 miles an hour for the ABS to work. Something like that. Oh yeah. No problem. Yeah, it works even below 20 miles an hour. Alright folks, this car is fixed. The brakes are a little rusty. It's been sitting a while. But plenty of meat on the pads. Nice firm pedal. I think we're good to go. Well, it's hot and humid today. Even the floor is sweating. That's it, folks. We got her fixed. And we got pretty lucky. We're able to reuse the old module. So there's no programming required. We don't have to pay our $65 subscription to Ford and try to figure out how to commission that module. And being a used module, you never know if it's going to work or not. So yeah, it's a good deal. Don't know what happened to this motor. It's only got 72,000 miles on it. Just one of those things. But the scan tool is critical if you want to bleed the ABS unit. I just did a Hyundai, I think, earlier this week. Same deal. The guy replaced the master cylinder, I think, and then just a spongy pedal. Could never get it back. And I went through the ABS bleed procedure using the bidirectional scan tool, and it fixed it right up. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.